it is Susie, and I hope everybody's doing well. I have another box from your creative studio. This is the April box, and I've just got it, so we are going to open this up and see what's inside. I love being surprised. So, you get to see it along with me for the first time. Alright, so let's see here. Okay, the box is upside down. Okay, of course there's Amanda's card that she always puts up. This time it doesn't tell us what's in it. Typewriter, custom, 1886, write your own story. That was what is on the card. So let's see. Let's see what we've got in here. Okay. Of course, typewriter themed it looks like. These are cute. Look at the letters. Really cute. All individual letters there. That is awesome. Oh, these are cute. Oh, these got like Victorian ladies. So let's... Oh, here's what's in here. There's all the stickers that are in here. Now, those are cute. Those are all vintage. Vintage. Kind of shabby chic. Victorian. Love those. We'll take a few out just to look at them. Okay, so there's like the vases of flowers. These are just darling. Look at those. Those are darling. Okay, that's the little vintage ladies there. Then, of course, we have just the vase of flowers there. There's another Victorian. Oh, there's another one. Now, these are cute. Look at her. These are awesome right here. Retro label. That is cute. All right. Those are adorable. Love the ladies on those. Oh, here's another. Those are just cute. All right. So there's some stickers. Let's see what else we've got here. I always love these. These are probably my favorite little things right here. I love those little booklets right there. Time flies. Let's see what this is. Looks like little vellum. This is cinema. Admit one. These are just little vellum. Yeah, vellum pieces here. Okay. Let's see what this is. I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it up and see. Oh, just little pieces. Now, those are cute. Those are good, and those are good for the collages right there again. Oh, I like that. Several different ones here. That's like a bottle label. Kind of in the crafty color there. These would be great to build a collage on. Vintage La France. Oh, that's cute. Powder room. Really cute. I love that. Alright, so there are just some like little labels. Some of them do perforate at the top or the bottom here, like this one will perforate. just kind of perforates. You can see that. Just perforates off. Those are cute. Okay, so there is that. This is a cling stamp. It looks like a typewriter cling stamp. Yes, a nice big typewriter stamp. That's super cute. Right there. Okay. What else have we got? Oh, what is this? That's just like a little, looks like it would hold a card. How cute. You see that? It looks like it would hold a little business card or something is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get that out. I'm just gonna, let's just kind of, oh, there's the sticky. I think that's why I couldn't get it open. Okay, I see it now. Yeah, it's a little wood. And I think what it does is it holds a little business card. How cute is that? How cute is that? That's awesome. That's a fun little piece there. I do like these kind of stamps here. This is just a little stamp. And I always like these like this. That's just pretty cute. Love that. What have we got here? Keep silence stickers. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, these are in a brown. Now, I would have to dye these. Reading record. How to stop time. Just read. This one says no end, and then there's some little bit of bigger ones back here. Yeah, and they're supposed to be stickers, yeah. Okay, there is that. Now it looks like there's another, a washi. Looks like there's a washi there. Okay. Let's get to the washi, and there's of course some, sticker kind of is sticking to the, there's just some typewriter stickers that are really cute. Okay. And this is a washi tape. If I can get it out of here. Just typewriters. It's a typewriter washi tape. There we go. Yeah, just all different kinds of typewriters. That's really cute. Just a little typewriter washi tape. Okay. And then we have some really cute paper down here. I love this. That is gorgeous. Now, I don't think this is like a sticker paper. I think this is just paper this time. That's a piece of vellum out of the same. Yep, there's a piece of vellum to that. This is pretty. I love the purple. And that's like a vellum as well. And then here is a couple of, these are gorgeous papers. That almost feels like a sticker paper there, the thickness does. And I believe it is. Yeah, that's a sticker paper. So, and I believe this one is a sticker paper as well. Really, really cute. So there is April's box, ladies. I hope that you you enjoyed the unboxing. That was a fun box. I'll try to get something done with some of these goodies as soon as I can. It will be some type of just using these in collaging, or some of the pieces in collaging. These are just adorable. Really like the stickers and all. Love this stamp. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and I know that I have several videos coming out. I've got a new morning brew that I wanted to show you some of the items that I actually picked up while we were out junk hunting. And then, of course, my bullet journal will be coming out. And anyway, those are a couple videos that I know are coming out. So I have not got a journal made. I will be doing a collab towards the end of the month. I'm going to start working on one at the end of May. But I have some swaps going on at Sophie's Notes and things that I have to take care of. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.